This is the Fertile Crescent, a region in the Middle East known as the cradle of civilization. Thousands of years ago, powerful rivers flowed through this land. The Tigris and Euphrates. The soil was rich, crops could grow, and humans began settling instead of wandering. Villages rose into cities, cities became kingdoms, and some of the first writing, laws, and agriculture were born here. Today, the Fertile Crescent covers parts of modern-day Iraq, Syria, Turkey, and nearby regions. So when you look at the modern world, you might be looking at the legacy of the Fertile Crescent.